That was actually bad. This is not. Oh, that was bad.
We'll detail where the stormy weather will hit for Thursday.
Here's a hint. Some of the same places that got hit in the past 2 days in the Midwest will again be watching out for some destructive storms. Stay tuned for Evening Edition in HD.
Hi there, thanks so much for tuning in to Evening Edition. I'm Sharon Rizal.
Eric Johnson, it's going to be a stormy overnight for some of you. We're watching out for destructive storms that hit portions of the Midwest on Thursday.
That's right. Let's check out the storm chaser video. This from Tazewell, Illinois. We have one very stormy Wednesday across the Midwest here, and we've had a lot of reports of downed trees as well as roof damage. Wednesday was a stormy afternoon across northern Virginia, Maryland, and on into D.C. as well. And, you know, we
Ooh, that's right there.
going on here with trees coming crashing down on cars, on homes, and
Let me stand up.
there's more and where we're likely to find it for Thursday, so we will continue.
Yeah, let's do that first one right now. Very heavy rain, and we'll be surprised to find out now. Yeah, for your Thursday, right away toward Michigan. We're likely to find more of the way